So, uh, last 2 months I was not using this instrument, this robot for the cleaning, and now today I on this for the cleaning of the cleaning. But I noticed that the sound is completely different now. I don't know why. It may be due to because from last 2 months I was not using, so maybe due to this reason, this sound is completely different. Now I am afraid. Oh my god. It's completely different sound. I notice it. Even I did cleaning of the filter. But I don't know why.